Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on separate app sound feature on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, the separate app sound allows you to play audio from one app like Spotify or YouTube through a separate device like a Bluetooth device, while keeping all other sounds like notification or game audio on the phone. So this is perfect for multitasking, streaming music to your speaker while scrolling TikTok or gaming without mixing audio. No more audio chaos. So let me show you how to turn this feature on. So first, you want to go ahead and bring down the quick panel menu, tap on settings. Next, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find sounds and vibration. Now from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find separate app sound, which is right here. Turn this feature on. So now here, you want to go ahead and choose what app you want to allow playing from your Bluetooth device. So go ahead and choose. So I've chosen YouTube. And now here, you want to go ahead and choose your preference. So you want to play YouTube through your phone or through the Bluetooth device. So you can go ahead and choose whatever you like. So now when you go ahead and play YouTube from your phone, that audio from that YouTube will only be played on that Bluetooth device. While on your phone, you can go ahead and just play something else like TikTok, and you can basically separate the sound. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on separate app sound on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.